Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Diza, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add different sound effects to your videos. So for this we'll be using the CapCut app, and once you're done downloading it, you tap on it to open and tap on new project to bring in the video you want to edit. For me, I'll be using this video. Tap on it and tap on add. So once you've brought the video in, the next thing you need to do now is to come to the ending of the video, tap on this CapCut ending and delete. After doing that, then you go ahead to start editing your video and you add your sound effects to it. So you come to your audio, tap on effects, and you will see different sound effects you can add. Is it clapping? Is it heartbeat, beep? If it's laughter, there are different kinds of laughter here. We have the baby laughter. Let's try it. So there's evil laugh, there's woman's happy laugh, creepy evil laugh, and so on. Just pick any one of your choice. If it's transition sound effects you want, then we have the 10-second countdown, 3-second countdown, the ding, swish, whoosh, swish, whoosh, remembering whoosh, ping, whoosh and echo, and so on. And here you can see there are different options. We have the BGM, happy birthday instrumental, we have the traffic, siren, we have the horror, warning string, movie transition, we have musical instruments too. We have the guitar, drum and bass, bamboo flute, snare drum roll, and so on. So what you need to do now is just to play your video to the point where you want to add your sound effects. Once it reaches that point, you tap on pause, tap on effects, and bring in the effect you want. So let's say I want to add this laugh. I just play the options, then add the one I want. So let's say I want to add it, I'll just tap on this tick mark, and as you can see, let's play the video to that point where I added the sound effects. So let's play the video to the point where I added the sound effects. So you can see the sound effect to play. It is very easy. You have to just pick the sound effects of your choice and add it to your video. So with this, we are done. See you in the next video.